Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samir Jalisa, and if you are not, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this beautiful V-part wig from ALIPEARL. Thank you so much to ALIPEARL for sponsoring today's video. I am in love with this wig, you guys. You guys know it's summertime, the wigs are not giving, okay? Sew-ins are too hot. So I thought that this would be a perfect opportunity to try a V-part wig this summer because y'all, it's so hot and I just can't with like, y'all already know, it's braids and that's it. You can't get no wig, you can't get no silk press, none of that. But y'all, this is so perfect. I'm going to show you guys how I installed it today to match and blend with my natural hair. I really love it. Of course, you can get shorter length if you don't like hair like on your neck and stuff. It's hot outside, blah blah blah. But I feel like this is beautiful and great year round. Everything, all the details on this wig will be in the description box, so please click the links below. It'll take you to everything that you need to know. And let's get right into this video about this hair. So the wig came in this really pretty pink silk bag. Inside it came with a nude tone wig cap. And then it came with an edge brush, and it came with a beautiful pair of lashes, which I was really shocked by. It came with an elastic band, and it also came with an ALIPEARL like edges band, like a silk scarf. So I was really shocked by the construction of the wig. It does have 5 clip-ins around the hairline, and then it also comes with 2 combs on the side that you can like tuck in to just have more security. Basically, I really love that because y'all, like, it really does not move. So these are my heat protectants and anti-frizz controls that I'm using right now. I'm just basically straightening out my leave out. Y'all, this is like a week old. It's crazy, it's crusty, I know. I wanted to test it to see like if it really was durable and how long it lasted and everything like that, so just not too much on that. But I really do love the wig, y'all. The only complaint that I would have is that I got body wave, and obviously I didn't silk press my hair, you know, to match Brazilian body wave. So obviously it would be nicer to get a more kinkier texture, but I requested body wave. I like it. I think the blend is still very nice at the end once I like apply all my products and everything. But definitely a kinkier texture would be very nice as well. But as you can see, y'all, I put that on and it just blended. It's not a perfect blend, but girl, it's a blended, okay? Your hair is always gonna look like that before you really add the magic touch to it. So I'm actually very shocked, but it's really easy. 1 2 3, as you can see, I just threw that on my head, secured it with the clip ends, put the clip in on the side, and y'all, that wig secured, okay? Very much so secured. So I'm just putting my part in, and yeah, y'all, it's just really that easy. I really love this wig. You can take it off at night. During the day, you can throw the thing back on. It's really good for like work or just like a quick outing. Really easy for our lazy girls, us lazy naturals, okay? Yeah, so as you can see, look at the blend. Yeah, okay? Not too much, but let's not play, okay? And then I just went in with my bigger flat iron and a wax stick. This is really like my holy grail. The wax stick with a little bit of the anti-frizz serum is really what did it perfectly. Y'all, like I said, not too much. My hair was very dirty, and it definitely needs to be washed. My edges, yeah, I didn't really touch my edges the way that I should have because it's been a week. I'm about to wash my hair, you know. But y'all, look at that. I think it looks really good personally. I think it blended very nicely. The very first day that I did it, it blended way nicer. But of course, my hair was freshly silk pressed at my leave out, so obviously, but for this to be like a week old, y'all, is very much so giving. Don't put too much of the anti-frizz serum because it will get a little oily. I wasn't too pressed on it. I just wanted to make sure my hair wasn't going to get super damaged. I'm not too big on like caring about heat damage or everything like that, but you know, I got a little bit of, you know, I care a little bit. But as you can see, like, that side is super flat, super blended in, and the other side still has a lot of that natural frizz. So that's just my little key, my little trick, and how I blended it with the body wave, and it just really makes all the difference. My hair, my natural hair, of course, is shorter than the actual hair. I think I got 22 inches, so it's fairly long. I did cut a couple layers in it to blend it a little more. What you can do if you have shorter natural hair, like the front of my hair is a lot broken off from like buns and things like that, you can definitely just curl the wig and it will blend in way better. I didn't have my curling wand to curl it, but that is definitely an option if you want to just get an even more seamless blend. Okay, honey? But I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. Y'all, this wig is a 10 out of 10. Don't forget to get you one. All the descriptions, well, all the details will be in the description box. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much to Ali Pearl. I love it. I really do love this wig. It's really perfect for me. I'm very lazy. I'm a lazy natural. So let's just get into it, okay? Yeah, period. Like I said, my natural hair is a lot shorter, so not too much on that, but I love it. So all details will be in the description box. Thank you, my love, so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.
To get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna